Katie, what are you doing?
Okay, what are you doing?
Are you climbing? Crazy baby. Oh, good girl. Get down. Get down. Down, please. Good girl. Thank you. Whoa, good job, Katie. Good job. You took a step. Good job.
What a smell.
Do I need to change your diaper?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is she poopy or pee-pee?
Yeah.
I caught you on video sniffing your sister's booty. Gross. Bye-bye.
Could you